Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. A Delaware County councilman must pay a Richmond woman more than $600,000 over a November 2000 car crash. Alan Brammer had admitted he'd been drinking before the chain reaction accident that caused permanent injuries to 67-year-old Charlene Watt. Brammer contended someone else caused the wreck. He was ordered to pay Watt $627,000. While most teens spend their summer lounging around, Newslink, Indiana's Abby Walton found one group of guys working towards a different kind of goal.
In mid-July, the Delta High School football team normally prepares for the upcoming season. But today, they traded their helmets and footballs for hard hats and saws. This week, the team, along with members of the First Presbyterian Church in Muncie, are building houses for Habitat for Humanity on Elgin Road. Coach Grant Zagunda says he's proud his guys are getting involved in the community.
I think it says a lot about them, their character and what they're made of, their moral values. They want to come out and help people.
About 13 members of the team volunteer their time. Senior Justin Blakely spoke for his team when he said he had no previous building experience.
I've learned how to put panels on a roof.
John Costello of Habitat for Humanity has only been at the Muncie affiliate for 6 weeks. So far, he's been impressed by the young people who come out to volunteer.
While the young men of Delta High School may not believe that they have much construction experience, Costello thinks differently. He says without the young men's help today, they would have not been able to put all of the trusses on this roof.
Seems to be today a real movement, I think, among a lot of the younger generation to do volunteer work.
Costello says it could take about 4 months to finish the 5 homes on Elgin Road. In Muncie, Abby Walton, Newslink, Indiana.
To be a Habitat for Humanity volunteer, call the Greater Muncie chapter. Their number 765-286-5739. Now here's a look at the Newslink Indiana forecast. Some beautiful weather is ahead over the next few days. Today's skies will remain mostly sunny and it will be cooler than average for this time of year with a high of 79. Tonight, expect starry skies and more cool temperatures. The low will drop to 59. And checking the 5-day forecast, expect nice weather through Friday until the next chance of showers and thunderstorms comes for the weekend. Temperatures will be very pleasant for the entire period. Highs around 80, lows around 60. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.